In the stage 1 we looked at how to make a copy of a sheet, and I just want to come back to that for a second. If I want to make a duplicate or a copy of the sheet within this workbook, then I'll simply drag the sheet with the control key down. If I hold the control key and drag the name of the sheet at the bottom of my screen to the right, and let the mouse go and let the control key go, I've made a second copy of conditional formatting. So if you need to make a copy of a sheet within a workbook, just hold the control key and drag the name of the sheet. Make sure you let the mouse go before you let the control key go. But if I'm in the situation where I want to email a person just this sheet and not all the sheets in this file, then I might want to send a copy of this sheet to a new workbook, and then I'll email the new workbook. To do this, I'd right-click the name of the sheet and I'd choose Move or Copy. In the first drop-down, I want to move it not within this file but to a new book, so I'll click the drop-down and I'll choose New Book. What Microsoft should have done is made this option here ticked by default. Really, I want to send a copy to the new book, not actually physically move this sheet out of this file and put it in a new book. So I'll tick Create a Copy. And when I click OK, I've got a brand new workbook, Book 2, with only that sheet in it, and it's a copy of that sheet, so I haven't lost the sheet in the original file, and that's the file that I'd email the client if I only wanted them to have that one sheet.